So we start off today's video with this long to bob transformation. So the stylist did a gorgeous angled shape with this one. I really like how the cut enhances the color. Oh, this is absolutely stunning. Such a beautiful makeover. And then we see someone else who has long waist length hair. And she decides to switch things up with this beautiful angled bob. Wow. Absolutely stunning makeover. I love how shiny and just healthy this bob looks. Very nice. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we are going to be taking a look at some more hair transformations. So here we have someone getting a cut refresh. So it looks like the asymmetrical pixie was cut a tad bit shorter, a little bit of a shape up here. And then we see someone with mid-length hair. Wow, another gorgeous bob haircut. Beautiful angled shape as well with this one. Very nice. Now, if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles spotted within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll of course stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So moving on to the next hair transformation, she does start off with mid-length hair. Looks like she has a few sprinkles of blonde mixed in. She decides to switch it up with a mini bob style. Very nice. Next up, we have someone who has beautiful salt and pepper hair. And it looks like the stylist is going to be doing a bob haircut for this one. I love the way that her natural grays looks within this bob haircut. Her hair is so full. Very nice. Next up, we have another bob hair transformation. So she has super long waist length hair. Stylist cuts off those ponytail sections. Very nice, volumized bob style. She looks amazing. Next up, we have another long to short transformation. Now this one looks like she is going to be going quite short. Oh, wow. Another gorgeous angled bob. So pretty. Very nicely done. And then we see someone with mid-length blonde hair. Looks like she might be getting another bob haircut for this one. Ooh, wow. Now this is a gorgeous volumized bob. Very nice. Next up, we have another long too short. Now it looks like she might be getting a pixie cut with this one. Bit of a pixie bob for this one. Very nice. She does have the feathered bangs going there in the front. And this frames out her face beautifully. Next up, we have someone with long mid-back length hair. Oh, it looks like she might actually be waist length. And it looks like she decided to switch things up with this nice, fresh, mid-length cut. A little bit of layers to frame out the face. Very nice. And this is a much more carefree style versus the longer strands. So it looks like the stylist is doing a bob haircut for this one after doing some coloring. beautiful bob style. She does have a lot of volume with this one as well. Very nice. I love the shape and overall texture. Wow. So the stylist did kind of like a mushroom shoulder length cut. Beautiful layers mixed in with this one. Very nice face framing bangs. Oh, this is beautiful. Alright, you guys, so if you have made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching this entire video. If you liked it, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.